What's up everybody, and today, we gonna check out the 12-volt Ratchet from Makita. A slim shape that gives you 35 foot-pounds of maximum torque. And a pretty cool feature is the ability to change the anvil. 3/8 and 1/4 of an inch. Yes indeed, and we normally run the Ratchet with a BL1021B that needs around 30 minutes for being fully recharged. The LED gives you enough punch to see what's going on. Lightweight and up to 800 RPM, the 12-volt Ratchet is suitable for most light-duty jobs. A rugged Ratchet with a good battery runtime. We give that bad boy a 5 out of 5 star rating. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.